Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Ladan, and if you're new here, I post content very sporadically. I'm trying to be better. I think the main thing I want to talk about is that I have a struggle about what I kind of want to talk about on this channel. Mostly it's been recording travel memories so that I can look back at it, see my time there, but lately it's kind of been in a bit of a rut. Work's been picking up a lot more than before, and most of the time I just want to be off a screen, so I really haven't been motivated to film a lot. But hopefully this will change. I'm planning to go up north with my boyfriend Tam this weekend. So we've been going up north for the past few weekends just to clear our heads, get some fresh air. We're very fortunate that his parents have a chalet up there so that we can, spend some time away from the city. So yeah, we're just taking full advantage of that. I'm just vlogging now just to be like, before we head up there. There's grocery stores and stuff, so we're not bringing any food, and most of the time this trip I don't wear any makeup. I think it's just been a trend lately. I just don't feel motivated to wear any makeup, and my skin's been a lot better, a lot healthier. I don't have any more of the eczema patches on my face or on my arms, so I'm very happy. If you don't know about that, I have previous weekly vlogs talking about my eczema flare-ups. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to this time up north and just enjoying fresh air. And hopefully this time when we go up, we'll do some more hiking, maybe just relax. Really, there's no effort to, force yourself to do stuff if you don't feel like it, or to do it for aesthetics reasons or whatever, but just, yeah, going with the flow, basically, is what I'm trying to say. The past few times we've gone up, we've gone hiking, we've gone kayaking, so it's been really amazing that way, but otherwise, yeah, we don't really plan these things, we just kind of go with the flow. So look forward to filming that portion, and excited to recover from all these crazy madness these few weeks have been. Finally finished the first half of work. Ready to take this boy out for a walk. So we went to the grocery store and picked up some snacks, and now we're at a coffee shop just to get some lunch because it's 2 and we didn't eat anything. Who's there? We'll come back tomorrow, I hope. We'll see. We're just gonna go look at what the store is called so I don't forget. Okay. Alright. We have the name. We shall be back. Are you scared?
With pleasure.
Finished French class this morning. It was about an hour and it actually turned out really well. I'm always a bit anxious when it comes to French class, but when it actually happens, it's fine. It's kind of like going to the gym. Oh my god, did it snow outside?
No.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I just saw white patches, but it's actually just the paint on the stairs fading. Are you excited to go outside? He's thrilled. Anyways, we're going back to Saint Agathe like we saw last night to actually look at the stores now that they're open and have a little bit of breakfast. See you guys there.
You can't say that. You don't know that.
I do know that. After the cafe, we looked at a few stores around the block. There were some cute jewelry stores, some furniture stores. We did buy a few things, but then after we just had to go back and rest because that took a lot of energy. What is this? What is this, Richie? What is this? Why are you sitting like this? We just got home and we're resting now. Did not too bad of a damage. Got tablecloth and some little gifts and things like that. And I did a delicious breakfast. So, you know, all things considered, it was a successful trip. And now we're just resting. Last night we just watched a movie. Which one did we watch? The Fall Guy. So I didn't film any of that. But this morning, just had a nice workout, and then Tam said that we gained an hour. So just realized it's now daylight savings. Anyways, we saved an hour, so the morning's longer, which makes it perfect to see what comes today. But we didn't really plan anything, so we'll see. Might just have breakfast at home and then maybe go somewhere. I don't know.
Xong rồi.
That's really
Xong rồi.
Wow.
Ok, không biết cái bạn nữa từ đâu ra.
This is what happens when your boyfriend decides to take the dog out in the morning.
The dog's so nice.
We found the culprit poop. Explicit content. I've been reading this book called Braiding Sweetgrass, and it really helps me take a moment to appreciate the world that we have around us. From the trees, the leaves crunching beneath our feet, the mushrooms that feed us, the stones that keep us grounded. There's so much in this world that we take for granted, and we have to really say thank you to Mother Nature for keeping us alive.
Chicken and pickle.
Yeah.
Hee.
Are you enjoying your wrap? It's so good. Yep. We totally eat this. Come back here again. I think we haven't had one bad meal. Only questionable ramen, but other than that, you know, if you eat locally, then the food will taste good. If you try to eat Asian food, maybe it's a bit more...
Do you want to say exotic?
Actually, the sushi was pretty good. So...
Just don't go to that restaurant.
yeah, just don't go to a restaurant claiming it's Asian.
It's cool to know each other.
Okay, we're back home. I feel like it's so crazy to even say this since we really didn't even leave the country, but that was one of the best trips I've ever had. It was relaxing, it was inspiring, and overall just beautiful. I had the best memories there, but otherwise just, yeah, we were by the water, we were in the forest, we saw a bunch of different boutiques, coffee shops, and just enjoyed the isolation a little bit. And I think reconnecting with Mother Nature in a way that is impossible almost in a city. I really appreciate the trip this time, and I'm glad I got to share it with you guys. If you're watching, thank you. Please, like this video, leave a comment about what your favorite places in this world, whether it's in your home, a room that you like, a space that you like, a mindset that you're in. I don't know. Share it all. Appreciate you guys. Good night. Fantastic.